So we realized that we needed to cut out the back piece of the frame since the axle needed to be made of a different material. So we started doing that, and we had to change the angles a little bit using the grinder cutter. So that's the frame we had afterwards. Our next step was that we realized we wanted our frame to be dropped lower than just right at the center of the wheel. So we had to find a way to make upward supports for the frame to connect to the wheel. And we had to figure out what angle we were going to miter them at to connect them so that we could get a 90-degree angle. So this is a little drawing of how we wanted to do it and another view of it. So we started doing hacksaw cutting, but we realized that we were taking way too long. So we ended up using the grinder cutter instead. And some of our cuts were kind of uneven, like that. So, but we grinded them down and fixed them to the way we wanted them. Then we did some welding. Some of them were better than others. And we always just grinded them down to make them flat. So there's one of our angles that we created. So here we're looking back at our cross support, and we realized that the pieces we attached upward were not aligned properly, and this threw off how our frame was going to be aligned. So then we put in our back wheel to see just how close we needed it to be and started working on those angles. And then we started working on the seat supports, cutting them out, measuring them, working on making a perfect miter so that we didn't get those angle measurements wrong again. And here we're using the bandsaw to cut those pieces. And when we fit them all together, they were really nice 90-degree pieces. So then we obtained our front wheels and put them in, and this is how it's coming along and what it's going to look like.